Hey, so how's it going? It's Trey again from West Ashley Fitness Products. We're going into Imagine Physical Therapy Clinic. We're going to be checking out the CRS800 S by Spirit Fitness. It's a totally recumbent rehab stepper. We actually have a therapist client that is going to be using the product. We're going to take a little deeper dive at the comfort features and just show you around the product. So hope you like it. We're going to get that fan on for you. I'm going to take you through some manual resistance exercises for the next 15 minutes. So this is an actual physical therapist client. She was referred here by an orthopedic surgeon trying to avoid knee replacement surgery and some other ailments that you might have as I heard it was a hip bursitis.
That's right.
And so he prescribed you 6 months of physical therapy. She's gone through 12 weeks so far, and every week she begins her treatment with a 15-minute session on the CRS800 S. Physical therapist is able to bill out for this under a therapeutic activity. And how does that feel for you?
Really good.
Does it really?
I like it.
Is that comfortable?
Very comfortable.
Okay, do I need to modify anything for you? Do you need to come up or back? We also have a lumbar tilt, so I'm going to tilt you back or up.
I like it up.
Straight up,
Yeah.
okay. And what do you think about the cushions?
They're great.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Does that
it
feel
feels
comfortable?
Really good. Yeah. It
The
feels
seat
very
and back, okay. And then how about the grips? They're
Nice.
okay
Very nice.
and firm. I'm also able to adjust the stroke length. And then we also have the oversized foot pedals with the textured pads that are durable. And as you can see, we can accommodate therapist clients between 4'11" and 6'6" and up to 450 pounds.
They feel like that your foot's not going to slip, so they feel really firm.
And then also, if I'm doing a group therapy session, what I can do for one of our clients is go ahead and put them on a program. So let's say I would program a cardio program. So yeah, as you can see, one of the other unique features is the Spirit product has 10 unique programs and over 20 levels of resistance. It also comes with a full commercial warranty. And if your clinic is interested, we can talk to you about an in-house demo program. So really appreciate you watching with us. Check out westashleyfitness.com and we'll be touching base. Thanks again.